There is a dilemma between food issues and environmental issues. We're now making a major change in our food policy. My name is Nakashima from the Graduate School of Agricultural and Life Sciences. For many years, I've studied the academic field of food system studies. One of the main characteristics of the food system observed in Japan is that Japan has a rich variety of food to be enjoyed. I think such a rich food culture is supported by the abundance of food available here in Japan. When food security is vulnerable, enjoyable food may be threatened. Food is becoming an area where sustainability must be considered. It is necessary to have solid food systems. Solving the food problem is crucial for maintaining global peace. In 2021, the United Nations held the Food Systems Summit. The main point was measures that must be taken to eradicate hunger. And the Secretary General declared that food systems must be transformed as well. The words contribute, restore, and protect nature are climate neutral were added. Japanese consumption peaked in 1995 and has been declining ever since. In any event, the decline in consumption in the mid-1990s had a huge impact on the Japanese food system, which led to very poor performance of the agriculture and food industries. In fact, the policies being developed today are generally constructed with the 1990s in mind. However, in retrospect, the policy structure was based on this temporary stability. In light of these concerns, we are now making a major change in our food policy. The Basic Act on Food, Agriculture, and Rural Areas has now been revised. 4 concerns are presented here. As a result of the revision based on these concerns, these 6 points were included in the revised version. Particularly important is that food security for each citizen is at the center of the basic principle. The second point is to make food systems in harmony with the environment a new basic principle. This topic is exactly what was discussed at the UN Food Systems Summit mentioned earlier, and is reflected in our domestic policies.